The All Trains Swap Meet at the Dayton Event Center is happening this Sunday, January 22nd, 2023. This one-day only event will be at the Montgomery County Fairgrounds, just southwest of Dayton, Ohio. Admission is only $5 and parking is free. These videos and photos are all from last year's show. That was a great event, but I think this year's swap meet could be even better. The National Model Railroad Association had their Dayton train show at this same location last November. That was a 2-day event, and with multiple large layouts, actually filled 2 halls this size. Maybe it's just because I like Lionel, but I think nearly half of the items here are in O gauge. But if you like N-scale, HO scale, or Lego trains, you definitely won't be disappointed. So let me tell you about some of the deals I found here last year. The first is this Lionel Alco that someone repainted for the New York Central rail lines. It only cost me $10, and after quite a bit of work and repainting, it ended up looking like this for the Baltimore and Ohio rail lines. Here's another Lionel Alco, but this one is a working motorized unit that I haven't done anything with yet. It's actually pretty nice as is, and it only cost $20, so I think I'll just keep it like this. I might use the base on another Alco shell, but the yellow shell, although I hate yellow, isn't really that bad. And for $20, I think it's nice to be kept as original. This is basically just a brand new boxcar for Baltimore and Ohio. I love the B&O, and this will stay just like you see it here. It was also only $10 and was oh so fresh and minty. Mint condition, that is, and it's going to get packed away to stay that way. This is a nice basic passenger car that came with its original box. It was only $10. Somebody put a sticker on it to label it for the Chesapeake in Ohio. I decided to repaint it and give it fresh decals for the Baltimore and Ohio. See, I'm from Cincinnati, and the B&O is pretty popular around here. If you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know how I hate yellow plastic. These were a hard sell for me, but I was eventually convinced to buy the two gondola cars and the motorized switcher for $25. That's not too bad. The gondola body shells are long gone, but I kept the truck assemblies, and then I repainted the cheap and ugly switcher to look like a higher-end unit for Amtrak. So if you're not doing anything this Sunday and you live within 50 or 60 miles of Dayton, I suggest you check out the swap meet at the Montgomery County Fairgrounds. And if you enjoyed this video, well, I suggest you like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And until next time, thanks for watching, because this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.